Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and download this completely free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups, and then click on Home button. Over here, click on iOS Launcher, tap on Don't Ask Again, click on iOS Launcher one more time and just got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Oppo. But if you wish to, you can always just switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps and clicking Debut Apps. Now tap on Home App section and select System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!